For this video, we're going to be covering how to implement a preloader, animations, and audio in a custom game engine written using Typescript and the HTML5 Canvas API. An animation is just a series of images played back to back in order to make the viewer think that something is moving. Let's start off by looking at how we configure our images and audio. In our game function, we preload all the images and audio using the output interface. In our output interface, we add functions to load images and audio, as well as draw images and play and stop audio. Let's take a deeper look at how we configure our animation scene. You'll notice that we kept this very simple and only provided the ninja we animate. We start off by specifying our animation with the number of rows and columns, as well as the names of the different animation sets. During each draw loop, we update the progress of the animation. Then, update the source to the appropriate animation source. Next, we prepare all the audio we want to play for our ninja. Calling play and stop directly tells the output interface how to control the audio. Now we can look at how we configured our ninja. We refactored the code a little bit, but we'll cover that in another video. For now, let's focus on what happens at draw time. Here, we draw the image based on its source row, column, and flip state. We also updated the keyboard to work with updates rather than events. Now, it triggers based on the events we are interested in. After all of that, here is the final result.
Oh,